Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 6th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, I still don't see any reason to say this move up is over. Yes, we have like a doji candle, and then we got a little bit of a push down at the 100% Fibonacci extension, so definitely a pretty decent area for resistance. But I still think that it most likely is going to take out the high wave W, and based on the dollar index, I also think that the dollar index is still pretty bullish. So definitely still looking for longs. I mean, if anything, it might be a wave four and then potentially go back up for a wave five. So taking it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame, if it does break a significant structure, which I have this as my significant structure because that's the 4 hour time frame structure. If it breaks down below there, then perhaps we are in a bigger move to the downside, and we definitely would at that point start looking for pullback entries to go short. But as of right now, I am definitely looking at anything I see to the downside is still potentially a pullback within the uptrend. So if we do get like a break of structure to the upside on these sort of time frames, then I would definitely go back to looking for longs, potentially for the continuation of the uptrend on the higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.